Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send WhatsApp message on Elementor form submission using AdsEra. So here I'm a real estate agent and I have added my Elementor form on my website, and now as a new customer or a new contact fill out that form with their inquiry or their contact detail, then automatically I want to send a personalized message on WhatsApp to that customer. So for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use AdsEra. And for my objective, I have to build a connection between Elementor and AdsEra. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new form submission from Elementor form, then automatically I'm going to send a message on WhatsApp by using AdsEra. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send WhatsApp messages for Elementor form submission using AdsEra. So in today's digital landscape, immediate communication with potential customer is key to maintaining engagement and driving conversions. When visitors fill out forms on your website, a prompt response can significantly enhance their experience and increase the likelihood of a successful interaction. So integrating Elementor form with WhatsApp using AdsEra allows you to automate this process seamlessly. So as soon as someone submits a form on your website, an automated WhatsApp message can be sent, acknowledging their submission, providing further information, or even offering a special promotion. So this instant communication ensures that potential leads are nurtured from the moment they express interest, improving customer satisfaction and boosting your conversion rate. So this integration is particularly useful for businesses looking to leverage the popularity of WhatsApp for direct and real-time communication with their audience. It is going to make an essential tool for modern marketing strategy. Now imagine I'm managing a real estate agency and I have added my Elementor form on my website for getting the contact detail of my potential customers. So as soon my customer are looking for a property inquiry, scheduling views or requesting more information, so my potential client submits a form and they expect a quick response. So delays in communication can lead to missed opportunities as potential clients might lose interest or contact another agency. So with this integration of Elementor form and AdsEra, we can automatically send immediate response of their form submission on WhatsApp. So here what we are going to do is we are going to connect Elementor form with AdsEra in such a way that as we are going to receive a new response from our lead or the potential customer, then automatically by using AdsEra, we are going to send a WhatsApp message. So for building this connection and this integration between Elementor form and AdsEra, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button. And this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click here on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp message on Elementor form submission using AdsEra. Now here what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And I'm going to use this particular folder of Elementor. So I'm going to select this and now I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow. And action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here in our workflow we can only set up one trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up our trigger, what we need to do is we need to first select the trigger application. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Elementor. So I'm going to search for that and I need to select Elementor here. Now I need to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. A new form submission will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Elementor with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Elementor and Pabbly Connect. So for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I need to take you to the page where I have added my Elementor form in WordPress. So we have Elementor as a plugin in WordPress. So I'm going to take you there. And here this is my customer contact form, which I have created by using Elementor, and I have added this form in my website. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this Edit with Elementor. And here this is my Elementor form. Now what I need to do is I need to connect this form with Pabbly Connect so that I can receive the form submission details automatically in Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting this form, I need to click on this pencil icon button. And now I need to scroll down and I need to open this option of actions after submit. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab, I need to add my action. So I'm going to click on this plus icon button and I'm going to search for webhook. So I'm going to select webhook as my action. And after adding webhook as my action, I have this tab of webhook. So I'm going to open this, and here in this tab, I need to give my webhook URL. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to click on update. And here I have successfully updated my form with webhook URL. So here I have connected my Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that I need to first create a form submission by using my Elementor form, and I need to fill the detail of my customer. So I'm going to open my form, and here this is my Elementor form. So in this I'm going to add the detail of my potential customer, and I'm going to make this lead. So here my first name will be Michael, last name will be Karis, email will be michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. And now I'm going to give the mobile number. So here I'm going to add the mobile number and the WhatsApp number of my lead. So I'm going to type that. So here this is the WhatsApp number of my lead. Now what I need to do is I need to give the city. So my city here will be Bhopal, and I have filled all the required details here. Now what I need to do is I need to click on submit. And here I've successfully created this form submission. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my form submission, like the first name of my potential customer, that is Michael. Last name is Karis. Also in this, I have the city, that is Bhopal. I have the random phone number and the WhatsApp number of my potential customer. And here I have the email address, that is michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that I have received all these details from my Elementor form submission. And now what I need to do is I need to instantly and automatically send a WhatsApp message by using AdsEra. Now for sending the WhatsApp message, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. And here in my action application, I'm going to use AdsEra. So I'm going to select AdsEra here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send template will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. So AdsEra is an innovative and rapidly growing SaaS platform that is transforming the way businesses engage with their customer, and it is going to optimize the chat assignment for superior customer service and streamlining message management and collaboration. So here I'm going to use AdsEra, which is my API platform that I'm going to use for sending WhatsApp message to all my customers. And now I'm going to connect AdsEra with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting AdsEra with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So how I'm going to get this token? For that, I need to first log into my AdsEra account. And in my AdsEra account, I need to go to my profile section where I will find the settings, and in settings, I will get my API key. So I'm going to follow the same instruction. I will go to my AdsEra account. Here I will go to profile, and in profile, I need to go to settings. Now here in settings, we can see I have this API key. So this is my token, and this is the API key that I need to use. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here in this token tab. Now I need to click on save. And here I have connected AdsEra with Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to first give my client mobile number. So here I need to give the mobile number and the WhatsApp number of my potential customer that I have received from my Elementor form submission. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the response of Elementor form and I'm going to map that here in this tab. So for that, what I need to do is I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of Elementor. And here this is the WhatsApp number and the mobile number of my client. So I'm going to map this. Now I need to select my template. So in my AdsEra account, I have created a template that I'm going to use for sending the WhatsApp message. And for selecting the template, I need to take you back to AdsEra. Now here I'm going to close this and I will go to WhatsApp. And here in WhatsApp, I need to go to templates. Now here in templates, we can see I have all these templates that I've created in AdsEra. And for creating a new template, what you need to do is you need to first create on this template button and you need to follow all the instructions that is given for creating a new template. And in that template, you need to customize the message that you want to send on WhatsApp for every form submission. And after customizing the message, you have to take the approval for your template from AdsEra. So here I have taken the approval for this particular template that is named as Elementor form submission. So I'm going to preview this template. And here this is how my template is going to look like. And in this, I have added this variable of name. So every time I'm going to receive a new form submission from any potential client, then automatically the name of that customer or that potential client is going to get replaced here in the place of this variable. So here my message is, hello, thank you for filling out the form. We have received your response and our team is going to connect with you soon with new deals and offers. Thank you for connecting with us. We are glad to serve you, Team Pabbly. So here I'm going to use this template and now I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And for selecting the template, you need to open this tab. And here you will find all the templates that you have created in your AdsEra account. And I'm going to use this template of Elementor form submission. So I'm going to select this. And now I have this tab of name. So this is my tab of my variable. And in this, I'm going to give the name of my potential client or my potential customer. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Elementor. And here this is the first name of my potential customer. So I'm going to map this. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Now here we can see I have mapped all the required details and I have mapped these details. So I have made these details dynamic. Now as I'm going to receive a new form submission from Elementor, then automatically the details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail of the form submission in the real time. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have the status and the message that says message sent. So this means that by using this template of Elementor form submission, I have sent a message on WhatsApp to my potential customer. Now to check this, let me take you to AdsEra. I will go to chats. And here in chat, we can see I've sent this message, which is sent to guest. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my message that I've sent. So the message is, hello Michael Karras. So this was the name of my potential customer that has filled out my Elementor form. Thank you for filling out the form. We have received your response and our team is going to connect with you soon with new deals and offers. Thank you for connecting with us. We are glad to serve you, Team Pabbly. So here I've sent this message automatically to Michael Karras and here this is the contact information. So this is the WhatsApp number or the mobile number that my customer has filled in my Elementor form. And automatically by using that form submission, I have sent a message on WhatsApp by using my template that I've created in AdsEra. So here, as I'm going to receive a new form submission from Elementor, then automatically I'm going to send a personalized message for instant communication by using AdsEra on WhatsApp. Now to check this in real time, what I need to do is I need to go back to my Elementor form. And here I need to create a new form submission. So here my first name will be John, last name will be Doe. Email will be johndoe@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number or the WhatsApp number of my lead. And now I'm going to give the city. So my city here will be Mumbai. And now what I need to do is I need to create this form submission. So I'm going to click on submit. And here I've successfully submitted this Elementor form. Now what should happen is that automatically by using the form submission detail, a message should be sent on WhatsApp for the instant communication by using AdsEra. So to check whether I've sent a WhatsApp message or not, I need to take you back to AdsEra. And here I'm going to refresh this. And here in chats, we can see I have sent this new message. So I'm going to open this. And here the message is, hello John Doe. Thank you for filling out the form. We have received your response and our team is going to contact you very soon with the new deals and offers. Thank you for connecting with us. We are glad to serve you, Team Pabbly. So here I've sent this message automatically to John Doe, which was the name of my potential client that has filled my Elementor form, and here this is the contact information. So here I've automatically sent the message on WhatsApp to this particular number, and here I've sent this message that I've created on my template in AdsEra. So by using AdsEra, I'm sending WhatsApp messages to all my Elementor form submission, and here I have successfully created this connection between Elementor form and AdsEra for sending the WhatsApp messages on Elementor form submission. So I have successfully created this integration and this connection between Elementor form and AdsEra. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this connection to send WhatsApp message on Elementor form submission using AdsEra. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Elementor, and my trigger event was new form submission. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was AdsEra, and my action event was send template. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.